If you roll the dice and get a 3 of a kind or 4 of a kind, then you can get a score totaling the sum of all 5 dice values. So I guess it's referring to this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the next few steps, you will build out an algorithm that tracks any duplicates, rather, found in the dice values array. Do we have that one? Yes, we have. It's inside the arrow function roll dice, which displays a score next to the first two radio buttons. Start by creating an arrow function. You can do that by writing const and then the name of our arrow function, get highest duplicates, equal sign, parentheses, and an arrow pointing to the right and is achieved by equal and then a less than, and then a curly braces to define the functionalities of our arrow function. And inside here is where we always input our parameters or arguments. In our case, it's a parameter called r. That would be it. Nice.